I've seen everything from wrecks, sex acts, everything.
I've seen drivers like that before. Think they own the road.
Damn!
Now this right here is ridiculous. I mean, the driver should know better.
You're going the wrong way!
You see the cones there, those yellow warning signs. I can see if they were blindsided, but they're not. He just tried to get through it. I mean, that's ridiculous. That's on him right there.
Never stand in back of a trailer door when it's fully loaded. Damn!
That's some skill right there. Those are some skilled drivers right there. They must be Eunice drivers, right?
Takes a lot of skill though to do that.
So I don't know if you've been to New York. New York traffic that's what you see there, that's what it is. They're not gonna stop for you. They don't care. The light's red and the traffic just keeps going. Taxis, bicycles, people crossing the streets and everything. I'm like, hey, hey!
He's not looking left to see who's coming towards him the other direction, and he's making the right turn when there's a truck coming at him.
Wow. This is crazy.
That's scary. I think that's the scariest thing for a driver.
This right here is very stupid.
Excuse me, bro.
Oh.
It's a sinkhole. All the dirt down underneath is completely gone. Gang of robbers,
Stick him up.
That's crazy.
It's a robbery.
He's having a bad day.
Give me all your valuables.
Very bad day.
But even then, you don't know if they have guns. Start shooting at the truck and everything. There's not much he can do right there on that behalf.
Yeah, I would hopefully do what he did and get out of there.
Your life is not insured. You can always replace whatever the truck is. You can't replace your body, your life.
Well, let's see what happens here.
Right there, that's dangerous right there because you don't know who could be coming across.
I don't think he's gonna make it.
Almost got it. Good driver.